Winter Arc. It is a 90-day transformative journey designed to push you beyond your limits and unlock your true potential. It's a period of relentless focus, discipline, and self-improvement, where you embrace challenges like waking up before dawn, enduring the cold, and mastering your mind and body. You have two options: either succumb to the cold or use this time to transform yourself. Are you ready to wake up early in the chilly mornings, embrace cold exposure, and steer your life in a new direction? If yes, then here's what you need to do. Over the next 90 days, you must complete these 7 challenges, no matter what. Challenge 1. The evolution. Just like Bruce Wayne, who left everything behind to train in the mountains before becoming Batman, far from his city and home, cutting himself off from society to develop his skills and return to Gotham City to fight crime, you must dedicate this winter solely to yourself. No family, no friends, no girlfriend, and no social media. During this winter arc transformation, you must distance yourself from everything. No social distractions. Disappear from the world so completely that no one knows your whereabouts or what you're up to. This isolation is necessary so that no one can pressure or taunt you. Quietly focus on your work. In this winter arc, no one should witness your hard work. When people see you, they should only see the results, your transformation, and your strong comeback. Challenge 2. Rise before dawn. Think about those cold winter nights when you curl up under the blanket, enjoying the warmth. It feels amazing, and stepping outside seems impossible. But now you have to leave that comfort zone and wake up before the sun rises. You must wake up at 5 a.m. Why 5 a.m.? There's no fixed rule. You can wake up at 4 a.m. if you want. The point is that your eyes should open before sunrise. Science supports this, as waking up early resets your body clock and disciplines your mind. Whenever you feel like sleeping a little longer, remind yourself, I'm not rich enough to relax. Now you might wonder what to do after waking up early. Well, the next challenge awaits. Challenge number 3, embrace the cold. This is the toughest yet most essential part of the winter arc. The purpose is to break you down and apply so much pressure that when you rebuild yourself, you become unshakably strong. Just as swords are forged in fire, you will strengthen yourself through cold. Every morning, you must endure a cold shower. This is not just a routine, it's a mindset. Science reveals that cold exposure releases norepinephrine, enhancing your alertness and mood. Studies show that people who regularly take cold showers develop greater resilience and stress handling capacity. Take inspiration from Wim Hof, the Iceman, who trained his body and mind to withstand extreme cold and roam shirtless even at -30°C. His breathing techniques and cold exposure routine made him physically and mentally unbreakable. Whenever you fear the cold, remember, the pain of cold is temporary, but the strength it builds is permanent. Challenge number 4. Meditate like a warrior. It's now time to train your mind. This 20-minute meditation isn't just for peace of mind, but for sharpening your mental discipline. Just as a warrior sharpens his sword, you'll hone your mind. Studies from Harvard show that just 8 weeks of meditation practice can reduce stress and improve memory. Meditation helps you avoid distractions and enhances willpower, keeping you committed to your winter arc goals. Challenge number 5. Build a strong core. First, take a shirtless photo of yourself, regardless of how you look. Whether overweight or thin, capture every angle and save it. By the end of the winter arc, when you look at these photos, you'll see how far you've come. We all want a great physique. To achieve this, dedicate at least 45 minutes daily to exercise. If you're overweight, focus on losing fat. If you're underweight, work on building a fit body. The cold slows metabolism, making it easier to bulk up, something harder to achieve in the summer. But don't eat just anything. Stick to clean, protein-rich foods and maintain consistency. Challenge number 6. Sharpen your focus. Make it compulsory to read at least 20 pages daily from any self-help book that inspires you to grow. This routine builds consistency and improves focus. Reading is like training for concentration. Just as runners build stamina, you'll build focus by reading. Challenge 7. Surrender to your purpose. It's time to work on your goals. Whether you're a student, professional, or working on a project, dedicate 50 minutes to 4 hours daily to deep work sessions. No distractions, only pure focus. Work in a flow state where time flies and your output is unmatched. The more time you invest in quality work, the closer you'll get to achieving your dreams. Avoid these distractions. To feel the true impact of the winter arc, you must avoid certain habits and distractions. No video games. Stop playing games. Level up your real life instead. Use every minute to improve real-world skills. No porn or masturbation. These drain your energy and motivation. Save your energy for productive pursuits. No social media. It's the biggest time waster. While you scroll, someone else is working on their goals. Go into ghost mode. No posts, stories, or likes. No junk food. Eat only clean, nutritious food. Junk food damages not only your body, but also your discipline. No bad habits. Eliminate late nights, unnecessary gossip, and time-wasting activities. Focus solely on growth-oriented habits. The real essence of the winter arc lies in resisting these temptations and staying centered on your mission. If you're serious about transforming your life, tell us in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, like it, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell notification so you don't miss future videos. Thank you for watching.